Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mini chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt are also key, along with 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and the vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Gradually add your dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, and salt, mixing just until no streaks of flour remain. Finally, gently fold in your 1 cup of mini chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. It's time to form and bake these tiny delights. Using a small spoon or a 1 teaspoon cookie scoop, drop uniform portions of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to space them about 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. Bake your mini cookies in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 minutes. They should have lightly golden edges and slightly soft centers. Almost there. Once baked, let your mini chocolate chip cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 or 4 days to maintain their freshness. These delightful mini treats are perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.